Hi, I'm Gypsy from Sacramento, and this is my quick recipe for pests and keeping your dogs from digging in your garden bed. Fill your little sprayer with water. Eyeball some 100% cold pressed neem oil. Cayenne pepper. This is going to keep the dogs out. They don't like spicy. Give that a good shake up. Then a little bit of dish soap. I heard about that a long time ago, something about the bugs. I'm not gonna shake that. I don't want it to be super soapy. I'm assuming the dog won't like the soap either. The neem oil, if you have organic stuff in your garden like ladybugs or praying mantis doing their job right now, then you don't want to spray this because this is gonna deter them from eating the pest. Also, it's gonna kill them. So essentially what it does, this neem oil is so strong for the bugs that it causes them to starve themselves to death. So they stop eating the plants, they stop reproducing, and if there's eggs on your plants, the eggs won't hatch because the smell is so strong. When you water or if it rains, it's gonna wash all that neem off. So you're gonna wanna reapply it. So I do this about once a week and spray this all over my plants. Let's go. So my sprayer broke, but the recipe is good. So go ahead and give me a like. I gave you a quick, easy recipe, 3 ingredients, including water, only 4. And I'm gonna go buy a new sprayer. So subscribe, follow me on Gypsy's Healing Herbs, okay? Bye.